Mike Hughes here. I'm at AquaSketch, and I'm with Mark. And Mark, you want to tell us a little bit about your new product?
Hi, yeah, sure. I'm Mark Hagan, and what we're doing at AquaSketch is making paper available to divers so that they can use paper underwater. Paper, if you try to take just a sheet of paper underwater or use a clipboard, it gets very complicated and it can get lost. And our first product, we came up with a scrolling system. You've probably seen this. This is the AquaSketch Minnow that holds up to 8 feet of material. We're now also we're working with Raid, so we've printed all their underwater training materials on this, and the instructors just wear this on their wrist, and it has everything. This is an 8-foot length. But one of the problems, we had a lot of people wanting to print on this themselves, and the problem is, since this holds 8 feet, no consumer printer would be able to print this in a waterproof manner. So we have found, we have a new kind of paper. It's an 8 mil. It's made out of polyester.
Okay.
And what's unique about this paper is it can withstand up to temperatures up to 400 degrees.
So if you're going toward the core of the planet, you'll be fine.
It would help if you want to go to the sun, you know, or, well, not the sun, but anyway. But the other thing it can withstand is the heat in your laser printer. When the laser printer fuses the toner to the paper at high temperatures. So we did these printings with just a brother. It was like a $150 printer that we got at Amazon, and it does beautiful printing. And it's totally waterproof and indestructible. This will last for years. And so what people can do, you can print maps, you can print charts, fish IDs in color, and then you just fold them in half like this, and then put it on the plate.
Okay,
like that. Yeah, let me see. I think I got that. Shouldn't matter. Then you take the frame. This is the new AquaSketch tablet, and this snaps in. Oh, we got a piece coming. So there. So this is
perfect. And you got your fish on the one side.
Fish on one side. This is
notes on the
pencil
other.
holder. And you can just switch them out, put anything you want. You can also stack several of these. You can snap together.
In case you have students or a group.
Yeah, sure. This here's a second one with graph paper on it.
Right, in case you're writing a book.
Right. In case you've got more information. These two things stack together like that.
We're not selling these.
So this will enable people to print one at a time, whatever information they can bring up on their computer. You could scribble something down, scan it, and print it if you wanted to take that underwater. Or you could bring stuff off the internet. So between the tablet and the Minnow, we've got a lot of ground covered as far as replacing the slate.
Cool. All right, if they want more information, they're going to go to
AquaSketch.com, AquaSketch.
I think that they got that on the picture too.
Oh, one other thing. Can I add one thing? We are also going to put on the website, we'll have templates.
Okay.
So that you can download for free.
Oh, okay.
So you can print, you can just download graph paper, line paper, whatever, and put it into this.
In case they have a geology assignment or whatever.
Anything like that, yeah. Or anything you want to upload to the site to make it public. You can do that too.
Perfect.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you.